Alright, hi guys. So I'm going to show just how to log in your email. It's just a refresher. I know that it has been a while. Some of you it's been since 7th grade because, well, we haven't gotten to my email lesson yet, and that was actually supposed to be the day we came back. My 7th graders, if you are watching this, then you should be familiar with this. So what I did was when I tell you guys you need to log in your email, you go to office.com. Well, usually I want you to type in the URL www.office.com. But like most of you, you immediately just type it in Google. So then what you're going to do is you want to click Office 365 Login. This is where you are going to log in your email. So you click here. My Wi-Fi is slow, which I think it's because everyone's on their Wi-Fi. So right now it's showing my email. You're not going to see this page. So this is the page you're going to see. This is what you need to see. Some of you, however, when you go to office.com, it's going to take you to like buyoffice.com, like buy Office 365. See, this is what you would see. And that is not what you need to do. So what you would do is click, do you see this like little dude right here? I call it my person. I feel like I kind of look like that person right now, you know. You click sign into your account here. So that is another way to do it. So those are two ways to figure it out. If you misspell anything at all, it will not work. Also, if you put in the wrong login 3 times, then you're going to have to refresh the page. So I'm going to use another Scholars login. Sorry, Ned. This is for you. You have been chosen. So here is what I'm going to do. On my computers at work, or at work at school for you guys in my classroom, the desktops, this is case sensitive. On your Chromebooks, however, the email may not be case sensitive, but it's always good to double check if you're having issues. So this is what it would look like. Double check your username before you put @students.uplifteducation. I'll make sure that everything is spelled right, like just double check. Because if you do this wrong, one little thing, it will not let you log in. Always put @students. Don't put @students. Don't do like @student. It's @students. If you're in my classroom right now, I would say, repeat after me, @students. Is it @students or @student? No, it's @students. There you go. Dot, as in @students, period. Uplift. Okay, so we add uplift. Then you go education.org. So here's what happens. A lot of you may like forget the E. You may like forget .org. You may accidentally put, this is a common one, .com. No. @students.uplifteducation.org. Make sure you put that. It's usually on the board, but not only that, it will be like attached in this video somehow. It's also sent out at home. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click next after I verified all of my spelling. Perfect. So here's what you do now. You're going to type in your password. Your password is case sensitive. What that means is you have to capitalize each letter, and you have to like press shift and 3, and that would create what I call the hashtag 0. Okay, so what we're going to do is put in the password. I'm not going to put Ned's password on blast, but make sure that you press shift. Do not do caps lock. If you press caps lock and then you press shift, it's going to lowercase it. So this doesn't give me the option to show you the password anyway, but just make sure that you use capital letters, all right? All right, once you are set up, see, password is incorrect. Let's see what I did wrong. So then it's going to say, so then I typed it incorrectly. So what I did was I made my own mistake. I realized that my caps lock button was on. Make sure that it is turned off. So then it's going to show like save password. That is up to you. That is your option. If you are using this Chromebook and no one else is using it, do it. If not, you can click save, never. I'm going to click never because this is my computer. So stay signed in, no. But if this is your computer, click yes. But sorry, Ned, it's my computer, so I'm going to click no. This is also the first page that you're going to see. So when your teachers tell you how to access PowerPoint, you need to use Sheets. This is everything that you might need. So if you're creating a PowerPoint for your teacher, you would also log into office.com. Excel, writing a paper, anything like that, it would all be here. Now, your email is called your Outlook. This is where you access your email, is Outlook. You click Outlook right here. And this is where you're going to get all of your emails. So you're going to have your inbox, all of that. So now you are in your email. If you are in 8th grade, I'm going to be posting a whole other lesson showing you how to add contacts and your email etiquette lesson. So after this video, 8th grade, you're going to have another email coming. Also 7th grade, you already uploaded and added all of your teachers at the beginning of the year. What you would do is you would find that in your contact list. Okay? You should have all of your teachers in your contacts. So what I would do is I would click new message. If you're going to check out your contacts, and then when you click to, you'll see all of your contacts right here. 8th grade, it's empty because we haven't done this yet. Okay, so that is it for now. That is how you access your email. Please email me if you have any questions or even call me. You have my information. Yeah, that's it. All right, have a great day, guys.